The new Kawasaki Ninja ZX4R 2023 is one of the sport motorbike models that we have been waiting for this year. Finally, now we can see the details of the Ninja ZX4R. The model, which is powered by a 400cc engine with a 4-cylinder configuration, is said to offer quite high maximum power, according to the latest available information. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX4R 2023 engine is reportedly capable of delivering power above the 70 PS threshold. I'm not sure whether the information is correct or not, but there is no denying that Kawasaki has the technology and capacity to increase engine power while claiming that the engine meets the latest pollution requirements. According to previous reports, the 2023 Kawasaki Ninja ZX4R will not only be sold in Japan, but is also expected to be available in the United States, Europe, and a number of other regions. The vehicles registered on March 22nd with the codes X400PP and ZX400SP have been identified as the Kawasaki Ninja ZX4R, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Each code will differentiate between ABS and non-ABS types.